comments are content. On Instagram, on YouTube, it doesn't matter where you are. When you are leaving great comments on other people's content, and you're doing that on pages that are bigger than you, you are going to get the attention of bigger companies, and you could be growing your audience a lot faster. So what you see on your screen right now are just some examples of comments that I've left on Instagram and how successful they've been. So one of the biggest things that I do is I follow, this is on my health and wellness page. I follow the biggest names in health and wellness. And this is actually like Tom Bilyeu. It's actually like Steve Bartlett and Dave Asprey. It's like guys like this. And Joe Rogan's even a part of that. Sean Ryan, right? Like these aren't necessarily like fitness guys, but they're talking about like this new revolution of health and wellness, right? So I'll go on to their content, not always, but if it's a content that I resonate with, and I will leave a very long comment that starts with a headline that an opening line that I would hope grab people's attention. Okay, so that's key. That's key is like you've got to write something good, and I don't force it, right? Here's another comment that I left on a page that connected to the story of the post. Like that was me. And this is another great technique is as you're getting engaged on pages and you're starting to follow the people who are doing content that you want to be a part of, look for moments in that reel and in their video that you can relate to personally. I did the same thing. I went to college there. I've been there. Or even like, did you know that there's? I would do that a lot. It's like someone would write a video, do a video about being in a location. I'd be like, did you know that there's a thing over there that you can look at? I've been there many times in my journey as a da-da-da-da-da-da. But you have to remember this, that you're not just commenting to get them to like you or for you to like them. You are commenting to motivate, inspire, or to like comediate, right? To make laugh. What's the word for to make laugh? Right? To make people laugh and want to go, I'm going to follow this person. Now, Owen, I don't need all these random people to follow me. First of all, yes, you do, right? Like you're not going to get to 1 million followers by having a deep relationship connection with every single one, right? Of your followers. It's just not going to happen. Like you are going to be very topically engaged. Someone saw one of your videos and followed you from it, right? And they never saw anything else again, but you're not going to be like, leave my page, right? So there is an element of you do kind of want people following you, but you comment on pages that 80% of the audience are people that would find value in 50% of what you do. Right? I think that's a good metric to work with. Beautiful mind. Okay. Now, here's another strategy that can be rather interesting. What you're seeing here is a comment I left on a page that's a little bit more, let's call it ministry focused, right? It's ministry focused. He's got a faith-based ministry to men. It's Christian-based. And so I'm all about it. And I really like his content. But what I want is to be interviewed by he's got 1 million followers. Don't get me wrong. I want to be on his podcast. And so really my goal here is to just get his attention, right? To be that person who's, man, Owen's always got thoughtful comments in the flow. So I'm not necessarily trying to get 1,000 likes on this comment. Sometimes you are. Sometimes you're like, dude, this will be so funny. You know, in fact, my buddy Sebastian, he told me about he follows this method as well. And he left a comment and just people were just rolling over this comment, right? Not a lot of follows, but still it's good. It's good. Hey, your humor resonates, right? So I leave comments to get the attention of the page owner. And you know, hopefully that turns into a conversation about, I've actually written him and it's like, hey, I'd love to be on your show sometime. Comments on comments is another great way to think about this. Remember, like, Instagram goes top down, especially if you're getting, you know, decent views on videos. You might have people that left a comment and then replied to that comment. You can reply to that comment even further with just something that might get 50 views. So don't necessarily limit yourself to the topical comment. Like find conversations that are already diving in, right? Like you might go to an Instagram page and there's already a comment that's got 1,000 likes on it and there's 32 replies. Jump into that conversation, man, and say something that will attract attention there. You're not always, see, comments are content, man. Like, you're not always going for mega viral look at me stuff. You're actually looking for, if 50 people saw you 2 levels deep on a reply, like, you're in the crow's nest, bro. Now, the last part of leaving great comments is about working out your own ideas and testing your own material in hyper-focused groups, right? So that's a part of it. You might leave comments that don't get any likes or comments. You know what I mean? Here's Ryan. Ryan's back. You can leave comments that maybe don't get anywhere, but that's showing you that, hey, maybe that content needs to be a little bit refined. Right. Maybe you're not saying it in the right way, but using comments as a place to kind of build out your own material, I think is really wise. And here's what I do to ensure that happens. I usually take 1 or 2 sessions per week, right? So and for me, it's maybe I'll do it on Tuesday morning because I don't have a lot of calls. And I'll respond to it. I just go through the feed and I'm not posting. Okay, it's key. I'm not posting. Then I'll probably do it on Thursday evening, right? We have a home group that meets here, and so I'm sitting on the couch 2 hours before that, and I'm just kind of leaving comments. Built it into kind of like unwind time so I can use my energy to leave comments, but I do it intentionally to test out new material and hopefully to get attention from people who can grow and build and become part of, that testimony. It's like, I met Owen in a comment section somewhere. So thank you guys for watching, being a part of this video today. We have a ton more videos that you can watch and geek out on. Quick tips, tricks, and hacks to kind of master marketing and social media. Huge focus on YouTube, Instagram, and Reels. Subscribe to the channel. I'm Owen Video, and we will see you next time.